Hi friends and welcome back. In today's tutorial we are going to be sublimating tumblers. If you're new here, my name is Vicky, founder of Rustic Cottage Studio, where I create handmade pieces inspired by rustic charm and cozy living. In today's video, I want to walk you through a quick little how-to as I make a strawberry and a cherry tumbler. So if you're ready, grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. I skipped the making of the designs, but don't forget that you can create your designs in Canva, as well as get designs from different websites such as My Designs and Creative Fabrica. Once you have your designs created, you can then print them on sublimation paper. I use a sublimation paper. The materials I used are heat-resistant tape, My Designs, 2 tumblers, scissors, and the Pitch Perfect Trident. On one side, I cut the paper all the way to the image, and then on the other side, I left a little bit of a gap. The gap is for the overlay. Sometimes I like to line the edge of my paper with tape. Sometimes it helps hide the seam and sometimes it doesn't. However, it is extremely important that you make sure you cut all of the excess tape off of the edges before you put this image on your tumbler. If you leave any of the tape sticking out of the image, you won't be able to sublimate on that section because the tape will keep the image from transferring onto the tumbler. It is a little tricky sometimes cutting the tape from the edges because it will stick to your scissors.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy.
The only difference between this design and the last one is the size of the tape. On this image, I'm using the bigger piece to see if it helps. And to be honest, it makes applying the tape quicker, but the tape is still going to get stuck on your scissors as you're cutting it. As a side note, you could apply the tape before you cut your image out, and that could help. I may have to give that a try the next time I sublimate a tumbler.
She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smiling. There's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time.
Make sure you are cleaning your cups before you apply the image. If you leave any residue or dust on your cup, it could prevent the image from sublimating correctly. I like to have my cup upside down when I first put the image on, and make sure the image is covering both the top and the bottom of the cup. Then I put the tumbler in the Trident, which has been a blessing from heaven. The Trident helps me put the designs on the tumblers without hurting my wrists. Once I have the tape on the tumbler, I like to run my finger or squeegee down the tape edges to help block any air from getting under the image. Then I place tape on the top and the bottom of the tumbler. This seems to help with the ghosting around the edges. Sometimes I find it easier to apply the tape on the top and the bottom while the cup is still in the Trident, and sometimes it's easier to just take the cup out of the Trident. You really have to find what works best for you.
Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl.
Don't forget your heat-resistant gloves when you're sublimating your tumblers, as they do get hot. I set my temperatures at 365 and my timer at 30 seconds. When I sublimate my tumblers, I do what I call a 2, 2, and 2. I put the tumbler in with the tape facing away from me for 30 seconds. Then I rotate the tumbler so the tape is facing towards me for 30 seconds. Next, I take the tumbler out, and with just the ends in the press, I repeat the process only at 20 seconds per side. I repeat this process on both ends of the tumblers. Once your tumbler is done, take the tape off carefully because your tumbler will be hot. I like to take all of the tape off before I take the paper off, so I can make sure the image sublimated well before I take the paper off completely. If the image looks good, I take the paper completely off and set the tumbler to the side to cool.
Do you think of me with the road it's coming back again, coming back to me? I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets.
As you can see, this tumbler turned out very nice. I just love the cherries and the bows.
Forever ago, and you used to drive me home. Now I drive
Repeat the same process with the other tumbler.
forever, forever ago. This town's so quiet, this time of year, with a road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me.
I love the strawberries and bows. I really think the strawberries and bows are my favorite, although I do like them both. I just love how both tumblers turned out. The strawberry design really pops with its bold colors, and the cherry design is elegant with its soft colors. Which is your favorite design? Is it the cherries or the strawberries? Comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like if you did, and hit that subscribe button. As always, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one.